All right, what is good, YouTube? Ro hit back with another video, and today we're just gonna start it off real quick. Look at this. We're already going. Oh, that sound. Bro, don't come on my... No, don't stay over there. You gotta watch these like tight corners. Like this just is one of my biggest fears, because people don't know how to drive. Everybody like pushes over to your lane like for no reason. Like they do that for no reason. It makes no sense why they do it. But I got in front of most of the traffic, so that's a good thing. So let's see, we got a bunch of stuff going on right now. Chilling. Y'all heard that pop though? This thing did pop after I did that little pull under the bridge. This thing did a little pop. Definitely pops. But definitely, you know, it does what it needs to do. And it does it really well, like super loud, that pop and bang and everything, and then it's definitely fun. We got traffic all over the place behind. I'm like chilling up here. We got a nice speed up a little bit of sound you guys can hear. I need to give you more of those under the bridge sounds. Those things sound crazy. I'll open the window for this next one so you guys can really hear it. But yeah, I mean, the city is definitely where all the fun is. Because once you get here, this is where you get to a little bit play in traffic if you get people who are like racing or speeding or something. You don't get that much on those other roads. It's kind of boring. But yeah, let's see. We're going under this bridge in front. That's that sound. All right, now we can go a little bit. We got some opening now. It's a little windy. It's a little bit windy today, but it's pretty chill right now, honestly. But yeah, you heard that? That was a good sound for this truck. That's the best sound. We got this little open right here. There's the limiter. Done. That's all the power I can get out of this truck. It's unfortunate, but that's just, you know, unfortunately Ford has got me, you know, in that problem. But I mean, eventually I might figure out a way I could get rid of it. But as of right now, I mean, I heard you could like get those plug-in tuners. I don't know if those work or not. Some people say they do, and some people say they're just scams. Don't buy them. So I don't know. But I definitely like you know, having some like limiter off at some point, but at this point I don't have that, and I'm not gonna get it actually tuned because then I cannot have warranty on the truck, and I want to have some warranty on this new truck, you know what I mean? So I want to make sure that I keep all my warranties and everything just fine, and then I'll be chilling. Otherwise it's gonna be, you know, some problems. I don't really want to deal with that. I don't. Okay, we got some people in front. Let's see if we can pass these people because they're gonna hold up all the traffic. Look at this. This guy's holding up. Left lane is holding. Let's go full left. Go over. Pass everybody. Might be able to get in front of this guy as well. Slow. Maybe not. Yeah, I can get in front of this guy definitely. Oof. We are going in this traffic. This truck is moving though in sport mode. Like I said, if you got it in sport mode, you're going to get the best power. But the problem is, sport mode does take a little bit of gas. But when I'm in like cities and stuff, I'll put it back in sport mode just because I like to have a little bit of that extra, you know, push. Otherwise, I don't have that normal and stuff. And then I had one truck start racing me from a light. And he was starting to beat me, and I was in normal mode. I could tell I was losing because my thing was not shifting like I wanted to. It was taking a long time. And I had it in sport, I wouldn't have had to worry about that. But yeah, you know, that's just how the cookie crumbles sometimes, unfortunately. It's no big deal though. Let's see if we can get in front of these people. I don't know if we can, but I'm gonna figure it out. Let's see, because I really don't want to be behind them. They're slow. Oh yeah, they're waiting here, I think. They're waiting here. I'm gonna go right there. Go left. My God, this road is bumpy. Let's get in front of this guy. Go on the other side. Bro, this road is so bumpy. Thing is moving though. You cannot deny this. Whoa, that guy's sparking. Look at that. His truck is sparking. Oh, whoa, look at that. He's sparking that thing. Bro, what happened to him? He broke that? That man broke his bottom of his truck. It's sparking the whole way. I don't know if I caught that on camera. That's crazy. I think it's sparky. It was like throwing out stuff too. I don't know if it's like grinding all the stuff underneath, but hopefully not, because that's bad. This guy's gonna come here. Yes, he is. He's gonna slow right down. Ooh, I got the lane. Thank God. I have the lane to myself. Ooh, look, another truck. That a Raptor? Yep, it's a Raptor. I always see like a V6 Raptor everywhere. They're so they're so unrare. Like you see them everywhere, and it's like they're a Raptor, but you feel like it ain't that special when you can see it everywhere. You completely just look. Yeah, this thing is just going. Let me. Y'all want the window down a little bit? I can put the window down a little bit for y'all. It's not even that cold. It's 32 outside. We're chilling. We're chilling. What? Like, we're chilling right now. But y'all heard that thing. I want to have the window open when we get this next push. Guy just cut all the way across. That dude cut all the way. This truck behind me, he wants something. Why ain't doing nothing? You was what are you, a pickup truck? Yeah, pickup truck behind. We're about to race this pickup truck. This thing sounds crazy. Like, this is just the truck, bro. This is like the best thing about this truck, that sound. That 5.0 liter in a pickup truck is like such a great combo, especially for this truck. Like, it works for this truck, you know. Oh, that wind is crazy though. next pull-in for y'all, because I know you guys like these sounds. This thing is making the sounds. This old lady in this car, she's not gonna like this. Oh my god, it's so good. It sounds just like a monster. A monster just going down this road like crazy. I should downshift it when I stop. Hey, look. Look at the Corvette. Ooh, that's a nice looking Corvette. That guy was trying to go. Oh, he's still going. He's still trying to go. Oh, we're gonna go. Hey. Hey, bro. We're gonna have to go four-wheel drive for this. We're gonna have to go four-wheel drive for this. Oh my god. Oh, that Durango's broken to bits. There he goes. There he goes. He's going. Oh, he's flying. He thought he could do something. He can't do anything. He can't do anything with that. That's probably a 4-cylinder in that. Let me go back to 2-wheel drive. But I wanted to see if he was going to launch it or not. That's funny. That's the best thing about this type of truck. You got people who want to race you just because how loud it is. I mean, listen to this thing. Y'all hear it? Y'all hear the shifts? This thing is just insanely loud and I love it. I mean, this is the best mod I could have done, the exhaust to this truck. And I recommend the Borla Attack to whoever is interested in this type of truck, you know what I mean? Like, this is the best truck. Best truck exhaust you could get. Like, it literally is just so good. The sound, and it makes you smile. It definitely makes you smile and laugh like a little kid. That's for sure. This guy ain't gonna try to go, is he? He's trying. Oh man, he was trying it. He tried though. Don't come out. Stay over there. All right. Let's turn. I don't think we got the light though. Oh wait, maybe we did. No. Bunch of people are going. There's a Charger. Oh my god, he's all banged up on the side of the car. Broke that thing. Or somebody did. Durango going that way. Watch this guy. He clearly has a junker. My god. We got traffic on this side. I should stay behind the Charger for now, which I am going to do. That's an old Charger too. That's like a Gen, whatever they call them, Gen something. And before 2015, before the Hellcat design, this is like the SRT 8s and stuff were like this back in the day. Y'all know, those things look nice back in the day. But now, the new Chargers even look better, to be honest. If I'm being honest. But, oh, is he gonna try to go at the light? Ooh, we might get a race here, guys. I'm gonna get over. We might get a race. Might is the question. Alright, we're gonna do it in 2-wheel drive. Let's see how this goes. This guy might have a V. I don't think it's a V8, it's a V6. Alright, y'all ready? Y'all ready for the takeoff? We're about to do it. About to go. Sounds so good. He didn't even try. I thought he was going to. He's in a Charger. I thought he'd go. He was like flying in front ahead, and now he just slowed down. go? No, I don't think so. Go this way. That guy has no bright lights on, he just turned them on. I do not like to stay next to anybody anymore. I'm always passing the lane as quick as possible. Because I do not, I'm gonna get past this guy as well. This car. Oh, he moved over. Oh my God, this thing is so loud. Anyway, guys, we're about to reach bro, this guy's gonna give me copyright. Gonna make me copyrighted now. Don't do that. You're playing that weak music. Like, come on, bro. Sonata. Let's open the windows again. We can open them now. We got the side thing now. Let's do a little pull. God, let's do a downshift for y'all. Why ain't this downshifting? This thing doesn't even downshift properly. All right, we'll downshift here because I can put in manual mode and downshift there. You hear it? Oh, huh? You heard that pop? Oh man, that thing popped loud. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. More content like this coming up. Not vlogs, sorry. POVs and all that. So subscribe, like the video, comment, all that stuff, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. One more pull.